correspondence concerning the details of your extended deferment. The entire on or before September the 1st. If you cannot meet that deadline, you will have to be charged the current rate of interest is 6%. Cordially, etc. Oh, Pierre, I've just remembered one of my companies is developing a bomb-proof glass which may be of interest to your city if the present international situation should deteriorate. Well done, Sandy.
That man trying to kill you?
That will be all, Miss Farrell.
Just a dear. Who's going to kill Mr. Warbucks?
The Bolsheviks, dear. He's living proof that the American system really works, and the Bolsheviks don't want anybody to know about that.
The Bolsheviks? Leave them lizards.
Droga, não, sério.
He thought you were drowning, Mr. Warbucks.
Esse é da minha surpresa.